Hello. I get a real thrill every time of like looking up at my screen, looking up at that preview of me, and seeing my cat walk away. I just Together we make for a really charming duo, I think, and then on my own, less so. Anywho, hi. I am here today to teach you the world all about Game Boy programming, which is a subject which is near and dear to my heart. Um, uh, I've been making a game on this channel for the past few weeks now. We got a cool title screen. We got gameplay. We added multiple levels yesterday. Oop. The collision detection, I think, still needs a little bit of work when the ball's going really, really fast, apparently. Even though that was another thing we did yesterday, is try to work on that so that stuff like that would happen less. So definitely still an issue, unfortunately. I think it's probably the left and the right. I think for the paddle, I might want to do like a full complete bounding box test instead of just using the middle, or at the very least use the 2 points on the left and the right. I don't need to worry so much about the up and the down, because it's just there's some visible issues there. Anyways, that's not what we're going to do today, although I think maybe I'm going to start the day off by adding that to my to-do list. Try using precise left or right checks against the pedal. Yeah, let's do that. Because yeah, right now it just feels a little off still. Anywho, let's put that aside. Let's not sweat that too much right now. Today, the thing I want to do today is I want to try to start integrating a sound driver into the game so that we get some music. I'm not going to write my own sound code because other people have done it. They probably have done a better job of it than I would. I have written my own sound driver of a sort that I've never properly tested, and I have no idea how well it works, but it's actually up on my GitHub, I believe. I think it's public. And as a conversion program from Family Tracker. But we're not going to use that. Instead, we're going to use this hopefully really good one. This is a Game Boy Tracker, Game Boy Sound System, Paragon 5 replayer, used in several commercial Game Boy titles, including Project S11. No idea what that is. Shantae, amazing game. ESPN National Hockey Night, probably not an amazing game. I've never heard of it, but I can guess what it is. And Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? Also, probably not an amazing game. Anyways, so this is now publicly available on GitHub. Can be used. What license does it use officially? Yeah, it's MIT license, so I can use it. And yeah, I've never done this before. You're going to be learning along with me. So the first thing I'm going to do, step one, is download it. Step one complete. It's been downloaded. Let me drag this over here. Drag this over here. Let me now open up this README and read about integration. For each song, 2 files will be created, yada, yada, yada. there are 4 files. I need soundsystem.asm, soundsystem.def, soundsystem.inc, soundsystemnotes.inc. So I guess I want to just take all of these. Maybe for cleanliness' sake, take that over there. But I'll rename this audio driver. Now we have downloaded it. Let's see here. All those defaults are actually fine. I don't think we don't need to touch any of these for now. Do not need to include this file. Cool. Well, I'm just going to keep all that anyways. I'm next gonna pop open my make file, which I suppose I will need to use. And now I'll just build the sound. Was it SoundSystem? Was the name of the module? SoundSystem dot. Yeah. Drivers SoundSystem.asm. Does it build? Sure doesn't. Oh, because it thinks. I see. Well, whatever. We will go fix that. We will open this up. It doesn't do it relative. It assumes that. So does that build? Oh, that totally built. Perfect. Okay, so it is now built. It's now in the ROM. Obviously, that doesn't. We haven't done any code changes, so who can really say? Who can really say if it works? There's no code changes. We're not going to notice any difference. Reload ROM, run. No difference. That's fine. Let's get some music going. Hopefully, maybe. So this says that what we need to do is call the sound system init. I'm just going to call that right at the beginning of the game. Unknown symbol sound system init. Come on, why? Why not? It's there. Oh, because I didn't forgot to include it in here. There. That should work. That worked. Does it still work? It does. As far as I can tell, it still does. Cool. Next step. I need to call this process every frame. So I'm going to go do that again, just here, not in any particular sort of subunit. I'm just going to call it before I run anything in my main loop. Call sounds. I actually wonder. Well, whatever. I'm thinking I should put my wait for vblank thing here instead of putting it inside of each individual like state of the game. Like they all need to wait for vblank every frame, so I should probably just do it out here. But that is a change I can do at a different time. Okay, so now file reload ROM run. Yeah, now we're everything's still working. We still don't have any sound. Uh-oh. Apparently we do. Something is broken here. Reading uninitialized WRAM. But I didn't. MBC write exception. What is going on here? I didn't start playing music. Not cool. Not cool, sound system. Hopefully this isn't any kind of an issue because we'll just let's just assume that sound is playing as soon as I initialize things. It's silly. Let me go to, what is it called? W music play state? Yeah, it says it stopped. That's unfortunate. Probably not an issue, but it's unfortunate nevertheless. That's what it feels like doing, like reading this uninitialized RAM, and because I am calling the init routine before I do anything. Whatever. Hi, Nelly. Yeah? Yeah. Oh, up we go. There we go. We got a cat going. We got a cat. Stream is saved. Things are good again. Nelly, you're so soft and fluffy. I'm just gonna like get a song playing. Honestly, that's what I'm gonna do. So, is there like an example song I can download? Like Steel? Where's the song? Yeah. Oh dear. Oh, okay. Okay. I probably just need to grab some stuff from there, but let me go look at this and see exactly how I'm supposed to get a song playing. So first I need to call music prepare instrument. Okay. I'm just gonna put it here. We're gonna worry about like actual sort of like thinking about the music later on, but I'm just gonna put it here. Where do the instrument table call music prepare instrument? Then I'm just hoping that everything still fits into a single bank. And I'm just gonna get like section instrument table from 0 section. Nelly, are you perfect? Yeah, you're perfect. Yeah, you are. Show the internet your pretty face. Oh, you're camera shy. What a good cat. Song data 0. I am just going to copy and paste it from this example code. Let's just search for instrument. S11 space. Where is it located? Certainly. I don't want to have to like write my own music to test this out. a bunch of examples here. And here in this example, it just project S11 data, which is from there, but it doesn't say how I build this. Huh? Maybe it's in here. Oh yeah, here we go. Here's what I'm looking for. Oof, there's a lot of. Okay, here's the instrument table. This is what I want. I don't know a good way to capture this, but Nellie is currently draped over my arm, kind of like a towel over a towel rack. And a really important detail is that she's got her arms stretched out as well. The camera's not really, or no, it's just her outside arm, I guess. So like her inside arm is all tucked in. Her outside arm, which I'm gonna have trouble. I can't get my webcam to get a good angle on it. Her outside arm, it's just stretched right out. She's just like completely relaxed. It's easily the most wonderful thing I've ever seen. All right, instrument table. Nice. There's the instrument table. Oh, and I guess I need all of these instruments alongside of it. Oh dear. OBS. Am I having network issues? That's unfortunate. Reconnection successful. Huzzah. Apparently I disconnected. Apparently I was having some kinds of network issues that are now resolved. Wait, where do I need... Yeah, I need all of these. There we go. Let me get all of these in. There we go. And now, the other thing I need to grab is the song. The song data. Oh dear. It's a lot of song data. But yeah, I guess I just gotta grab all of this. Okay, that's what I'll do, in fact. This is out of hand. Obviously does not belong here. I am going to grab it from the repo, or from the S11 space. I'm going to copy it into my working directory. And then I'm going to copy it into my working directory, grab that, and grab, what is the song called? The song is called Music S11 Space. There we go, and I'm just going to build that in. No point fighting it. Nelly, you're the greatest cat in the world. What are you even doing? Oh my gosh, there we go. I build it. Oh, and I need to add that to my list of there we go. It's built. Here goes nothing. Let's see if this works. Ooh, have we pushed past the limits of we may have pushed past the limits of my game. Sorry. Of a 32K cartridge. Let me open up bustfree.map and see what we see. Okay, no it doesn't. I have no idea if this is going to work. What's happened here? I still have lots of space in my home bank. But this song is so complex that it started to push into this song started to push itself into multiple higher banks, which is unfortunate. So that does mean that, well, how big is it? This is, it's pretty big. It basically completely takes up one bank. Nelly, you're a cat. So that means that I guess I need to start thinking about making this use the NBC, which is probably okay. It'll take care of all of that for me for now, because all my other data right now is still in the home section. So what does that mean? I'm going to need to go into my make. I'm going to need to take a look at RGB fix. So I'll explain that. Oh, whoops. I will explain this more probably after this works. I'm going to start. Let's see here. Dash. Yeah, I'm going to need to. Oh my gosh, Nelly. Oh my gosh. Okay, there we go. Cool. Okay, so it does seem as though these songs are pretty large. Or at least the example song is pretty large, and it basically means that we've now pushed outside the limits of a non-banked Game Boy cartridge. So we're gonna need to add a memory mapper so that we can start banking things. So the only difference is I'm gonna need a different MBC type. Let me open up the man page for RBC fix, which says that to a given value. Well, it says look at the man page for examples, and the man page doesn't give any examples, so that's unfortunate. Let's go look at the pandocs. It is in the header. We are going to want NBC1. We don't need RAM and a battery yet, so we're just going to set it to 1. -1. I don't think we need to do anything else. Everything should just work right now because the rest of the game is just designed to assume everything is in bank 0, and it should continue putting everything into bank 0. I didn't put anything, I don't think I used anything in RGB link to make it assume that, oh geez, that's what I get for using Game Boy. that's what I get for using Bing. I I have a belief that first of all, if you're on Windows, like you've made your bed, you should lie in it. So you should use Edge or Internet Explorer. You should use Bing because that's what you get for using Windows. Um, okay, yeah, that's fine. I remembered there's this flag here, this dash D, that had some sort of limitation. I want to make sure I got it right. The limitation just says this is a black and white game. Okay, everything else, so now everything should work. Let me reload ROM, hit run. Dope. Fingers crossed. Okay. I apologize if something goes terribly wrong and you get like horrible noise. No, look at that. It's totally working. We got music, baby. Of course, I'm not responsible for music really, but I just use someone else's code. But regardless, yo, it's awesome. It's working. That is super rad. So I believe this says I'm just going to split this up a little tiny bit. No. Edits. Keep you. Don't want you. Don't want you. Using NBC, which actually does give me like a really good sort of next step. The next step would be like to start taking advantage of that and moving things like graphics data out into separate banks, but level data just to save room in the home bank. Not essential, but like could be a fun exercise. Let's see, what next? Right, I think I just want to, I just want to, oh, I'm going to keep that there actually, because integrating some test song doesn't actually really count as adding music. Nice. So let's just add all this. Git status, git add audio driver, git add S11 space, integrate audio driver. That was actually way easier than I thought it was going to be. Nice. So that was all I had planned for today, really. And I've been starting to feel as though shorter streams are maybe a good call. Although we'll see. I guess what's important is that anytime I do a stream, there was this dash T I could have tried, but regardless. So yeah, where was I? What's important is that every time I do a stream, I make some forward progress, and I feel as though I made some forward progress here because I got the sound driver integrated. So I'm probably just going to cut the stream short for today, and maybe tonight try writing some tunes for my game, and then tomorrow I will try to actually add the songs that I want to add, and we'll see how it goes. Anyways, cool. Thank you for watching. I'm out for today. I'm gonna play myself out, I think, with this sweet song. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please join me tomorrow. Yeah, have a good one.